Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am here with another video and this video is a highly requested tutorial. This video will be a winged eyeliner look. Everywhere I go, everyone that knows me personally knows that I live for a winged eyeliner. So today I'm going to show you how I accomplished that. Stay tuned. And if along the video you see something that was helpful, something that you didn't know before, or if you just love me, do not hesitate to like down below, comment, and subscribe. Leave down below any other suggestions you have for future videos that you want to see a demo of or a tutorial of. Otherwise, keep watching. So, what you will need is a liquid black eyeliner of your choice. I chose this $2 e.l.f. liquid eyeliner here. When you open it, you'll see that the applicator is very skinny enough for you to be nice and neat. So you'll also need a little mirror just to look at what you're doing. And now let's jump right in. So my first tip is to follow your lower lash line as a guide for the line that you will be drawing on each eye. You can make it short and simple, or you can be extra like me and make it long. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a longer cat eye, but you can do what you want. So what you see here is me softly drawing a line continuing from my lower lash line. The line is on a very short diagonal going up. Next tip, from the very tip of that line you just drew, you're going to draw a connecting line to about 1/3 of your top eyelid. It kind of looks like a weird triangle that you just drew. Then you're just gonna shade in the whole inside of that triangle. And as you can see, most of the winged eyeliner is already done just from you doing this out part. Now you can stop here if you want. I sometimes do that, or you can keep going. So what I'm gonna do is extend the liner a bit longer into my inner corner, but I'm gonna give it a fading effect. So I'm not gonna go all the way to the corner, I'm just gonna do a little bit. You can do this by taking the liner applicator back like I just did, or you can tap the applicator line along your upper lash line as close as possible. I personally think that the tapping motion is way easier and way neater to connect the lines, and then you can just drag the lines over to extend it more. This last step is optional, but after you connect the line, you just take a look and see if there's anything you need to straighten up a bit more, or you can take some concealer and clean it up, or you can just leave it alone. As long as you take your time with this, it really should come out good. For your next eye, you're gonna follow the exact same steps you did with the first eye. Draw a diagonal line continuing up from your bottom lash line, and just check the other side to make sure it stops where the other one stops. Sometimes I use the tip of my eyebrow and I align my wing liner with that and just stop them at the same point. Then you're gonna draw a connecting line, connecting that first line with the upper lash line, stopping at the outer 1/3, creating a weird shaped triangle. Color that triangle in, continue to tap along the upper lash line, connect everything together nice and even, and you're basically done. So for finishing touches, you could add a little bit of mascara, you could put on some fake lashes, you can do whatever you want because girl, that cat eye winged eyeliner is the bomb.com. So make sure both sides get as much love as the other side does. Go ahead, girl, and admire those eyes because that liner is so sharp. You could cut somebody if they act slick, okay? Sis, I know you love this video, so like and comment down below. Good luck, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos.